Dr. Arrow Hersey has spent 14 years living and working as a doctor in the UK. She runs a small gynecology service for the Somali community in East London. But helping her relatives back in Mogadishu is also a major priority. Dr. Arrow sends her relatives around $400 a month and is among the 100,000 Somalis living in the UK that transfer money via Somalia's largest remittance company, Dahabshiil.
The money that we send them back home, they need it and they don't have any. There is no any people who's helping them, so they are relying on the relatives who's living like UK and America, other European countries.
But if Barclays closes Dahabshil's bank account, this lifeline could be cut off. How her family would cope is a major worry for Dr. Arrow.
It really will be panic, and it's something can created in back home Somalia, starvation and the problems and the poverty, and also psychological effect for the people that will be affected if there's no money transfer to them, because how they can live.
The gynecologist waits in hope that a solution can be reached so that she can keep sending desperately needed money back to Mogadishu. Somalia has no banking system following decades of civil war. So for the millions of Somalis like Dr. Arrow that need to send money back home, remittance companies are the only option. And the system works very well. Dr. Arrow's relatives can collect urgently needed money she sends either the same or the following day, which for now at least she is still able to do.
And 7,000 kilometers away, the money comes through for Hersey's extended family in Mogadishu. Mohamed receives his cash from Dahabshiil.
This is an issue that concerns millions of Somalis. See, we receive money in 5 minutes. Immediately, the sender debits.
It's quick and relatively easy. Just prove identity and sign. Remittances are a lifeline in Somalia. The United Nations estimates more than 4 million Somalis rely on this money to survive. That's more than 40% of the population. After years of conflict, a few people in Somalia have jobs or bank accounts. For most people, money from relatives overseas is the only way they can pay for food, medicine and education.
Somalis receive money from Britain, America, Sweden and other Western countries. So imagine if Barclays closed these accounts. It will have adverse effects on many people.
How long this lifeline can remain is a big question. Barclays is still determined to cut off its service to Dahabshiil. Experts say that will merely drive the remittance business underground, making it even tougher for people like Mohamed to support their families. Mohamed, Hirmoge, CCTV, Mogadishu.